Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this matte purple eye makeup look with a little bit of this brown color underneath the eyes. And this eye look will look good on any eye color. So it doesn't matter if you have green eyes, blue eyes, or brown eyes. I'm sure this will look beautiful on you. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre, which has been my favorite eyeshadow primer for years and years. So applying it all over the eyelid, and then once I'm done with that, I just set it with a little bit of powder to lock it in place. You can use a translucent powder or any powder that you personally like. Then I will be going in with my palette today, which I created together with Sigma Beauty. I have a special discount code which you can use, which will save you some money. And I just started with the color Cottage, which is a matte white color, and I'm gonna apply quite a lot of this color in the inner corner of the eye. I really wanted to make it as bright as possible, so I'm just going in with a few layers to make it as white as possible. If you want it to look even more white, you can also use like a white base underneath, but I didn't feel like that was needed. Then I'm going in with the color Knock, which is this kind of like lilac-y purplish shade, and I'm just gonna apply this in the center of the eyelid and also slightly on top of that white color to kind of blend it into each other. And so first I went in with a little bit, and then I added just more and more. And after this, I'm also gonna go back in with the white color because I felt like I added a little bit too much on top of the white. So if you have the same problem, you can always go back in with the previous color and just add more of it. So of course, everything I'm doing at one side, I'm also doing at the other side. And now I'm just adding a little bit more of the white color to make it pop a bit more again. So now I'm going to go in with the color 1992, which is kind of like a blue shade, but it has a purple undertone. I wanted this color in the palette to suit with like a blue eyeshadow, but also with a purple eyeshadow. And I feel like this is the perfect color because it just looks blue, but also purple, if you know what I mean. So I'm blending this in the outer V, also again slightly on top of that purplish lilac shade, and just kind of trying to make it just kind of smooth into each other. So I'm just making sure that the edges look a little bit more softer, and again, if you feel like you need a little bit more of that lighter purple, you can always go back in. And I went in with a clean brush to kind of go around the edges to make it look more softer. Then after this, I actually went in with some concealer. But then I decided just let me go in with a gel eyeliner instead. So this wasn't needed because I will go in with gel eyeliner. I will be going in with the Sigma Beauty Wicked Gel Eyeliner, which is one of my favorite gel eyeliners. It just works really nice. And the brush that I used is a Sigma E75 brush, which is my personal favorite brush to apply eyeliner. And again, I have a special discount code for Sigma Beauty products, which I will link down in the description bar if you're interested in getting anything of the brand. So I'm just applying a line above the lash line first. This is what I always do at the beginning. I just create like a simple line above the lash line, and then I do it at one side, and then I also do it at the other side. And then I will drag a line from the outer portion of the eyelid towards the tail of my brow. That's kind of the direction that I'm following. And then it depends on what I'm going for. Like if I'm going for like a super dramatic wing liner, I make the line, like I drag it a little bit further, but most of the time I will go for a wing liner, just like in this video today, like just a normal size, I guess, is what I should call it. And then I'm just gonna connect it. The way you wanna like place the line, it totally depends on your eye shape. I have a special video where I go a little bit more in depth on how to create the perfect wing liner, which I will link down in the description bar if you need some tips and tricks on that. So make sure to check the description bar where I have it linked down. So after that, I went in with the liquid liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is just a really nice combination with this gel eyeliner. I just feel like it makes it even more black. It just makes the eyeliner stand out more. I just really like the combination of these two. Then I used a little bit of concealer just underneath the wing liner just to clean up all the mess underneath, because you could still see a little bit of that purple color 1992 underneath. So I just fixed that. Went in with a little bit more of the white color and also dragged it a little bit lower towards the lower lash line, because that's where we're gonna focus on now. So quickly added a little bit of that white color underneath the brow as well. And then I went in with the Morphe Brushes Vibes eye pencil. So it's the eye pencil in the color Vibes. which is more like a warmish brown color. I feel like it might look a little bit more orangey reddish on camera, but it's just so pretty and it will really pop your eye color. So I'm using the color of the palette that looked most similar to the pencil in the waterline, so it really blends together nicely. And I'm using a flat definer brush from Sigma, which is just a must-have brush. I use it in almost every video because it's perfect for the lower lash line to really like apply the eyeshadow as close as possible against the lash line. So after that, I'm also gonna blend it out, and I will be using the color 10. And I think this is actually the color that I use most often, like on a daily base. On a daily base, when I'm not filming, I just do like the color 10 in my crease. I do a wing liner and some mascara, and I'm good to go. So I think that's definitely my most used color. Then I'm gonna blend it out using the color, which was it? I think nacho cheese, just to make it a little more yellowish, just to kind of change the undertone. And then this is how it's looking so far. So now it's time for the lashes. I will be going in with a lash curler first. And then I went in with this mascara. I think this is the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, which I just love for the upper lashes. I am the person that I do like to use a different mascara for the lower lashes, just because my lower lashes just never really work the same as my upper lashes. I'm not sure if I'm the only one. Let me know if this is something that you guys do. Then I went in with these gorgeous lashes from Angela Bright, her own lash company. I will link the name in the description bar. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Let me know if this is something you would wear. Is like purple a color out of your comfort zone, or do you love purple eye looks? Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that